This video of a dog falling down the slopes is adorable, but that isn't going to make you any extra income. So in this video, I'm going to show you some internet sites that will pay you just for inputting free words. But it's not planning to help you gain much money. If you stick around until the end, I'll show you a free extra platform that you can use in combination with those internet sites to put it all on automatically and generate some significant amount of money. If you're as enthusiastic as I am about this, please ensure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section where you're coming from, since today's method is available globally and works in every country. Let's get started with this video. First and probably most important, I just want to display evidence that this truly works. As you can see, it is $33,500, and if you stick with me until the end of this clip, you'll be able to see exactly how this operates or how anyone is able to collect all this money. It's all due to the last site that I'm about to discuss with you, what's on the inside of this guide. However, if you do not complete all of the instructions from beginning to end, you will not be able to set this up and it will not work for you. So keep in mind to pay attention carefully and observe every part of this video. First and foremost, I'm going to show you 3 completely free sites where you may get paid to write words. However, keep in mind that these first 3 platforms will only make you about $200 each platform. But that's okay, because at the end of the segment, I'll demonstrate what you can do with those few $100 to convert them into a much larger amount. So you'll see precisely how it works. Let's have a look at CAPTCHA Typers. This may be found at CAPTCHAtypers.com. This platform will pay you per word typed. And the way it works is that you will be doing out those CAPTCHAs that you have probably seen around the internet. The graphic shows some randomized numbers and letters, and all you have to do is duplicate it in a box. Generally 5 or 6 different characters, and you'll be compensated for it. As you can see, you may earn money from the comfort of your own home doing simple data entry job. All you have to do is create an account by tapping on the register button right here. The registration procedure is clearly free, as is the work and now supplied, and of course, you can do this with just your phone. All you have to do is input your valid email address in the field and establish a username. What you have to do now is create or rewrite a password and tap submit, and you'll be able to sign up at CAPTCHAtypers.com. Also, if you're curious about the quantity of minimum withdrawal, it's simply $1. You may then withdraw your money and do whatever you like. The second website that you can utilize is 2captcha.com. This one will actually give you a great deal of money. It will pay you up to 50 cents for 1,000 words that you will write. Which may not seem like much, but believe me, you can get a couple of dollars today and spend it on a 4th site, which I'm about to reveal to you in this video. We will not only rely on these websites in order to truly start making some serious money online. Don't worry, you're not only going to earn 50 cents today, you're working to make more profit, and you'll see why. 2captcha.com has quick payments and you don't have to wait around or anything. It's also very easy to get started and you can get paid instantaneously, which I really appreciate since you wouldn't have to wait weeks or months to get compensated. You can immediately check out and use the money on how you want it. It will pay you $3 to write in 1,000 reCAPTCHAs. And if you're wondering what this truly is, they'll just display you an image like this with all of these symbols, like it says CAPTCHA, and you just need to enter it in the box just on the right side with the regular letters, and then that's it. That's how it goes on how you make money on this site. Every word you write earns you money. You will earn money for each word you input in each CAPTCHA you complete. To get started with this website, simply click on the Quick Starter right here. Start solving the CAPTCHA and select Quick Start. Now you'll need to enter your email address in this box. Enter the password and fill out the first CAPTCHA. They want to see if you're capable of doing this, and it's fairly simple. It says Victoria. I'll write a response. and it then says there. I'll type there. And that's entirely the point. In other words, I'd be paid twice right now for solving 2 distinct CAPTCHAs. As a result, with 2captcha.com, each word you input will definitely earn you money. Another platform which you can go through before we get to the last platform that would actually pay you large amount of money online is megatypers.com. It will pay you the most money of all 3 that we mentioned today. You will earn over $200 every single month just by typing words. As you'll see, you may earn up to $1.50 for every 1,000 words typed. And their top typers can make anywhere from $100 to $250 per month. It might not seem like a huge amount, but after you view the last platform, you'll find that there are actually a variety of different jobs that you can accomplish with megatypers.com. But the one thing I like the most is when you actually finish the CAPTCHAs and only have to put 1 word to get paid, because it's the simplest and you don't have to develop any complex and boring scripts. You don't need any prior expertise or specific talents to do this. All you have to do is key in the words that appear on the screen and you'll be paid for it. You can then check out your cash via PayPal, Perfect Money, Western Union, debit cards, bank checks, and so on. There are many various ways to cash out and many different ways to use your money online using this service, which is called megatypers.com. And it can earn you up to $200 to $250 every month. Finally, the reason you're first using all these 3 sites to enter phrases and earn a few bucks, $100, $200, is because I want you to reinvest it into this program that can genuinely bring you a substantial amount of investment income. For this website, you won't have to enter anything, and you won't have to do any of the work manually because the tool will actually generate traffic for you. This is one person's proof of profits. They made over $32,500 in a single month with this app alone. It is a completely new system with an app that you can download to your mobile phone. And the way the system works is that they will generate an automatic 100% done for you affiliate system in 60 seconds, which as you can see has a designed free buyer traffic feature, which implies that they offer you affiliate links for various platforms such as ClickBank, WordPlus, JVZoo, CPayLead.com, OfferWall.com, and others that you can copy into the system to create traffic for you and earn money 100% automatically. As you can see, it's ideal for newbies because it provides automated affiliate assistance and access to multiple traffic sources in one click of the mouse. No prior experience or skills are required, and beta users are already seeing quick results with a 180-day refund policy. If you're using the first link from the description down below, you'll be able to get it with a very special deal, which I also got. A few of the great offers for you is that you can get this without having to pay extra charges, but instead pay it once and use it for the rest of your life to make additional income from it. And that is only accessible for the very first 100 people who use it. They use this app on a regular basis to drive a lot of traffic to their affiliate links and make a lot of money. Some of them are earning lots of money per day using the technique, which is why I suggest you may use most of these writing websites to make a huge amount of money. You can reinvest that money into this tool since this can certainly be a viable online business, and I know that most of you would not like to make an investment into it. Which is why I suggest that you can first often use other websites to make some cash and then return back and use this website to establish it all on autopilot. You can endorse literally anything from this tool since they'll be getting your actual buyer traffic for whatever offer you're advertising. I sincerely hope you found importance in this video, and if you did, please remember to like it and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button with the notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our new content. Thank you all for your undivided attention, and I'll see you again soon.